We got some fresh water. And everybody's coming to get a cool drink. It's been pretty dry here. Here comes the instigators. Oh, goodness. So, this is one of my young roosters right here. This guy, the third one over here. He was just a little baby when he come here, and now he's turning into quite the rooster. Looks like a barred rock rooster. Dahmer, some people called him. He's a good-looking rooster, but now old Cluck Norris is still holding it down. So, we'll just have to see how it goes. We've got several of our Americana hens up here this evening. And, everybody's just getting a little drink. What's wrong? What's the matter, buddy? Did you get your wattles wet? Well, hello, good girl. How you doing? Did you come to get you a drink, too? Yeah. But yeah, he's turning into a quiet, but he's got messed up toes. What's the matter with it, J.D. Burwell? He's got some messed up toes. I don't know what happened to him, but he's got some funky looking feet. I don't know. It must have got broken. He was a little baby, and they just grew in that way. I don't know, but he's definitely got some messed up feet. What are you doing, old boy? What are you doing? You got some big pretty legs. He's got little spur buds growing in. Back here on the back of his feet, you can see little spur buds. But I don't believe he's no match for the big dog just yet. Because there's Cluck Norris's spurs. So, we'll see what happens. Right now, I'm going to let, as long as everybody's peaceful, we just let them live and do what they do. Oh, goodness. But if they start fighting and trying to hurt each other, then... Well, they got plenty of ladies, though, to keep them all separated. Maybe they could just, all... And then here comes... I love this guy. I call him... I call him cornbread. I don't know why. He's just, he's this is a Polish rooster. And he's got the pretty hair. Sometimes I've called him the fawns. But, cornbread's kind of a, bless her little heart. Look at her little beak. Oh. She come from somewhere where they clip their beaks. And, I think it's awful. They do them that way, but anyway. She won't ever have to worry about that no more here. We don't clip beaks. So, anyways, I just thought I'd show you the rooster and hen this evening getting their cool drink. Thinking about making them, it's going to be pretty hot tomorrow. Thinking about getting them some minnows down at the bait store and putting some frozen peas and minnows in the pool tomorrow and letting them go fishing. So that'll be fun. We'll see how it goes. Boy, he is making a pretty rooster. I'd hate to send you to freezer camp, buddy. Make sure to behave yourself. Alright, well, I'm going to get busy here and finish my evening feeding chores. I love you guys. Bye.